Alright guys, welcome back to another exciting video in this lecture series. This is the lesson where we show the contract, because most business owners will want to see, go through, read, and sign, at least some basic contract, outlining the services that you are going to provide for the fee that they're going to pay you to do that. This is a sample contract that you can use to send to your potential clients. Just a warning, due to legal liabilities and caution, this sample contract is for educational purposes only and should be treated as such. However, if you'd like, you can ignore this warning, delete it from the contract, and then send it out to your clients. The portion at the top is for your marketing agency logo that we had you create in a previous lesson. Just replace that image with your own. Moving down, the red text in this document is for you to change to your current situation. Add the client or company name, their contact info, your company name, and your contact info. On the next page is an outline of your company proposal. Our goal is to ensure that the client is able to install the Facebook pixel and set up retargeting ads to maximize potential profit per website visitor. This proposal outlines what you as the client can expect from our company. Under business challenges, you will write what you specifically found out about their business and what needs work. Under plan of action, you will write the steps you will perform to solve their underlying business challenge. Under scope of work, you will write what parts of the marketing that your company will be responsible for. This will usually be installing the pixel, running their Facebook ads, creating their retargeting campaigns, and potentially, if they like your service, running all of their social media pages as well. For your Facebook marketing package, state specific features that are available and will be performed for your customer. Feel free to add or delete any features that you seem fit. At the bottom of the page is a little disclaimer that talks about additional premium services. Use this as an upsell to get the client interested in more business with your company. On the third page, we discuss more legal jargon with authorization, confidentiality, and contract termination. To do our job, we will need full admin access to their accounts and social media pages. We also promise to never share that information with any third party. This is extremely important for trust and reputation. Do not give out your client's information. Protect it at all costs. Here is the pricing section and its terms. I've added a pretend initial setup fee and waived it to make the client think that they are getting a good deal. If you feel bad about doing this, just delete this line altogether. But these sales tactics do help the client feel better about their purchase. This section also shows that you will send the customer a PayPal invoice every 4 weeks for the amount of $1,000. We will show you how to do this automatically in a future lesson. And finally, the last page is for both the client and your signature. Date it, print the name, and then make 2 copies. One for you, and one for the client. If you'd like Google Drive access to this sample contract, please purchase the Create Your Own Marketing Agency online course at udemy.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.